Hi, hello, welcome back. Suppose you want to display a text on this background image or scroll a text on this. You have to add one more source, text. So go to sources, click on this add, select text. So click OK. You will be getting a window like this. In this text box, you type whatever you want to display on the image. You can even change the font. Click OK. Now you can see the text on this background image. This text you can move anywhere you want on the screen. Even you can resize it just by dragging this. You can make it bigger or smaller size just by dragging this. If you want this text to scroll from left to right or right to left, up and down, you can right click on this text box. In this options, select filters. Here as such no effects are included. Using this plus you include the filter scroll. Click OK. If you want the text to scroll horizontally, you adjust the speed, horizontal speed. If you increase the speed, the text will move from right to left. On the other hand, if you make it negative, the text will scroll from left to right. In the similar way, you can make the text to scroll up and down by adjusting this vertical speed. If you increase the vertical speed, you can see the text moving from bottom to top. If you reduce the speed, you can see the text is moving from top to bottom. So we shall make the text to scroll like this. Close the window. Now you can see the text is moving on this image. Now in the similar way, you can even make the image scroll. Before that, let us take this text box out. To remove any source, click on to that. Use this minus button. That particular source will be removed. Now the same process you can use to make this image to scroll. Right click, go to filters. You can add the effect scroll. We can click on OK. So in the similar way, you can increase this or decrease this to make it scroll. If you want to scroll it vertically, you have to adjust this vertical speed. Close. Now see how nicely you have made the image to scroll. Let us see how to use more than one background images. For that, you have to add another scene. So go to scenes section, add button. You can add one more scene. For adding the scene, you have to give the image or video input here. So let us give another image as the input. You know this process, how to give the image. Let me select any one of these things. We shall stretch this also to the full screen. You know this, transform, here stretch to screen. Now you are having 2 or 3 scenes here. This you can change while you are recording the audio, so that in the video you will have different background images with the audio recording. So we can try that. start recording. So this is the sample video. We are trying to record the audio with different background images. So we can change the background images by clicking onto the different scenes while giving the audio input. The background image may even be a video like this or a picture. You can have different backgrounds while you are recording the audio. Let us stop here and we can go to File, click on to this Show Recordings. That will take you to the recent videos. So this is the video we have recorded right now. We will click to check. So this is the sample video. We are trying to record the audio with different background images. So we can change the background images by clicking onto the different scenes while giving the audio input. The background image may even be a video like this or a picture. You can have different backgrounds while you are recording the audio. Now we have seen how to display a text on the background image, how to scroll the text or the image, and to use more than one image as the background. While doing the sample recording, you might have noticed some delay. That is because I am using the same OBS software to record this demo also. I am running this OBS parallelly. In the next video, we shall learn to record a video recording or face recording and video recording with a background image. Bye for now. See you in the next video.